Have you ever wondered what's hiding inside a neon metal box? It's not just the device itself. It's an entire experience, a complete toolkit to unlock your full potential. Let's dive in. When you first open it up, right on top, you'll find the device. But underneath that, tucked away in its own custom-molded tray, are the accessories that truly set this product apart. First up, the charging cable. This isn't your average flimsy cord. It's a custom-braided cable with a metallic finish that perfectly matches the device. The connector ends are reinforced, so you don't have to worry about fraying or damage from daily use. It's built to last. Next, you'll discover our signature protective case. It's not just a piece of plastic. This case is crafted from a high-quality, shock-absorbent polymer with a subtle shimmer that catches the light. It's designed to provide robust protection while still showing off the beautiful design of the neon metal. The cutouts are precise, and the tactile buttons give you a satisfying click every time. And what about a way to keep things clean? We've included a microfiber cloth with a unique metallic sheen. This isn't just for cleaning smudges off the screen, it's also a great way to polish the device itself, keeping that radiant glow intact. But the real showstopper? The included audio accessory. We're talking about a pair of high-fidelity earbuds that are a work of art on their own. They're tuned to deliver crisp highs and deep, resonant bass, bringing your music and media to life. The ear tips come in 3 different sizes, so you can find the perfect, comfortable fit for your ears. And just like the rest of the accessories, they have a sleek, metallic finish that complements the neon metal perfectly. It's all about the details. We wanted to make sure that everything you need to start using neon metal right out of the box is not only there but is also a premium experience in itself. From the durable cable to the stylish case, and the incredible earbuds, every element is chosen to elevate your experience. And that's everything that comes with neon metal. It's more than a product, it's a complete package designed for you,